What's up guys, my name is Reed. We're out here at Milestone right now hitting these dirt jumps. And this is my bike check. Starting off, I got ODI long necks with, I want to say kink bar ends, but I don't know. Kink stock bars, We the People stem. I have no idea what headset. We the People forks. Trippin' XL E-clat rim with a Salt front hub, which is stock. Odyssey Aiken front tire, 2.45. And then Colt pedals. I have polished Fiend cranks. I got 25-2 Sunday sprocket. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, I believe. The new volume seat. I want to say this is a Salt pivotal. Yeah, okay. So Salt seat post. It's a stock kink frame. I have no idea which kink frame, but it's a Cali Aggression sticker. Shout out to Cali Aggression. Rear hub is a Salt free coaster, which is a basically stock free coaster. And then the rear wheel is also another Trippin' XL. And the back tire is, I think, an Odyssey Hawk tire.
Fit.
It's a Fit.
FAF.
It's a Fit FAF, okay. 2.3, yeah. So, yeah, that's my bike. Now some clips.
Hi, Annie.
Get it.